Hello, we are SmartRelief. In Sri Lanka, seasonal floods and landslides repeatedly disrupt communities. Finding accurate information, knowing eligibility, and waiting in long queues are common pain points, especially with low connectivity. SmartRelief unifies discovery, booking, and transparent queues for relief services, with AI-aided triage. Exciting news to all citizens. SmartRelief not just completing with existing apps, SmartRelief completing the ecosystem with the missing citizen-faced coordination platform that Sri Lanka desperately needs. What is SmartRelief application? SmartRelief is a next-generation disaster relief coordination platform that leverages cutting-edge technology to connect disaster victims, donors, volunteers, and relief organizations in real time. The platform uses AI-powered damage assessment, predictive analytics, and geospatial intelligence to optimize resource allocation and maximize relief impact. We studied how citizens, volunteers, GN DivSec officers, FICE, coordinators, and donors operate. We focused on multilingual, low bandwidth, and offline realities. The outcome is a role-based product that prioritizes vulnerable groups and gives everyone clarity on capacity and queues. SmartRelief brings AI-aided triage. Upload a photo or paste a URL. The system estimates damage severity and flags urgent cases for services like emergency shelter, water supply, or cleanup debris. This helps coordinators prioritize fairly. Coordinators see heat maps, live capacity, and forecasts. They allocate volunteers and resources across districts, monitor SLAs, and export reports for donors and line ministries. Volunteers receive assignments near their location, navigate, capture photo evidence, and check in safely. Offline checklists reduce friction in the field. Donors browse verified appeals, fund services, and see impact metrics and receipts, building trust and encouraging recurring support. Under the hood, a Node TypeScript backend with Prisma Postgres, a FastAPI AI service, real-time sockets, and a mobile app scaffold. We maintain tests, seeds, and an OpenAPI spec. By unifying bookings and queues across agencies, SmartRelief reduces wait times and duplication, and improves coordination between GN DivSec, FI, and NGOs. Next steps: a USSD pilot, Sinhala Tamil voice prompts, deeper agency integrations, and accessibility hardening. Thank you. Imagine spinning up a complete disaster relief platform: authentication, aid requests, matching donors and volunteers, live notifications, in hours, not weeks. In this video, I'll walk you through SmartRelief, a Ballerina-powered microservice project, and why Ballerina is a great fit for this kind of system. SmartRelief coordinates people and resources when every minute matters. NGOs and admins log in, register aid requests, match them with donors and volunteers, and notify everyone in real time. The stack includes a gateway, multiple backend services, Kafka for events, Postgres and Mongo, Redis, Elasticsearch, and a Next.js admin dashboard, packaged and runnable with Docker Compose. Here's the service lineup: auth for login and tokens, aid request to capture needs, donor and volunteer management, resource matching to suggest the best fit, notification over HTTP plus a WebSocket service for live updates, location for geo lookups, analytics for insights, and a gateway that fronts the whole thing for the front end. Each service is small, focused, and independently deployable. So, why Ballerina? First, it's a network-aware language. HTTP services, WebSockets, Kafka, SQL. Ballerina treats these as first-class citizens. Defining a service and its routes is direct, and calling another service is just as straightforward with typed clients. You write less glue code and more business logic. Second, it's data-oriented and type-safe. Most of our inputs and outputs are JSON. With Ballerina's records, union types, and built-in conversion, request and response shapes are explicit, compile time checked, and easy to evolve. That reduces runtime surprises when integrating many services. Third, Ballerina makes concurrency approachable. Spawning workers for parallel tasks, handling multiple I/O calls, or coordinating background processing is simple and readable. That's perfect for matching algorithms that consult donors, volunteers, and inventory at once. Fourth, observability and resilience. Health checks, metrics, and structured logs are straightforward to expose. In this project, the notification service publishes metrics, and a WebSocket service streams a simplified snapshot to the UI, so admins see live queue counts for emails or SMS. Let's trace a typical flow. An admin logs in via the auth service, then creates an aid request, say, 100 blankets needed in a specific district. The aid request service persists it. Resource matching evaluates available donors and volunteers, suggests the best assignments, and the admin confirms. The notification service sends updates and exposes live metrics. The WebSocket service relays those metrics to the dashboard for real-time visibility. All traffic routes cleanly through the gateway. Under the hood, services are small Ballerina programs. You'll see service endpoints like service aid on new HTTP, listener, resources for GET, POST routes, typed records for payloads, and HTTP or Kafka clients to talk to neighbors. Error handling uses typed errors, so failures are explicit and recoverable. The developer experience is practical. Configuration comes from environment variables, like pointing the WebSocket proxy at the notification base URL. Tests live next to services to validate endpoints. Docker files use Ballerina's build toolchain to produce runnable artifacts. Docker Compose brings up databases, Kafka, and all services so you can test end-to-end locally. Scaling and change management are straightforward. Add a new feature, like a dedicated task assignment service or a richer analytics pipeline, by creating a new Ballerina service and wiring it into the gateway. Because interfaces are typed and small, evolving a single service is low risk. When should you choose Ballerina? When your system speaks many protocols, transforms data constantly, and you want strong types, clear service contracts, and fewer integration footprints. Ballerina lets you describe the network, not fight it. If you'd like to try SmartRelief, open the repo, bring the stack up with Docker, and explore the admin dashboard through the gateway. Extend a service, watch the WebSocket metrics update live, and see how quickly you can ship features with Ballerina. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe for more deep dives.